Hello guys, today I have a riddle for you. If you find out what's the riddle, that is the only way to pass through and watch what I create. So the riddle is this. Check it out. If you can find that, you are a true player. Hello guys, it's Claro Artist again. Welcome to my channel back again. So today, if you are a true player and you find out what I will create from is the Fortnite, because you know there's the T and the night. Anyway, so what I will create is the Reaper. This guy, I don't know if you knew it, but he was originally shaped from John Wick from the movie, and this is I saw both films and I really liked it because it's kind of give to the action films kind of a new feeling. So it was interesting for me. And also I started to play with Fortnite. Nowadays I don't play with too much games because I don't know why. Maybe my sense of enjoying the games is higher. You know the yeah, just there is fewer games what I enjoy, but Fortnite is really one of them. It's true that in every 4 seconds I got killed, but who cares if I enjoy, right? Okay, without any further ado, let's get into it.
Hello guys, I am the very first animated character made by Robin. If you enjoyed the video, push that like button. And if you wish to receive more video like this, then subscribe. Until the next video, I see you later.